In this video, I will guide you on how to check old tweets on Twitter or X. First thing you want to do is launch open the X app on your phone. Now you want to tap on the search icon at the bottom of your screen, then tap on the search bar. Here you want to use search operators to find old tweets. First, you want to use the username. For that, type in from colon username and tap search to see all the tweets from that account. Tap latest to find tweets in the chronological order. Now, if you want to filter tweets, you can do that by using filters of date range. To find older tweets, add date filters. So if you want to start from a date, you simply want to type in since colon year dash month dash day. To end a date, you want to type until colon year dash month dash date. Now you can combine filters for a specific time range. In this way, you can easily find old tweets on Twitter or X. Found this video useful? Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.